You know that feeling when you have an assignment due, or goals to chase, and a dream to build, but you just can't start. So, that is not laziness, friends, it is procrastination. And today, honestly, we are going to talk about it. So, most people think procrastination means laziness, but it's not about being lazy, it's about being overwhelmed, it's about failure, or it's about fear. The fear means fear of failure, fear of not starting, or fear of not to being a perfect. Your mind is not avoiding the task, it's avoiding the emotions that come with the task. So there are days I sit in front of my laptops and staring the window and thinking about doing the work that I have to do. I have to must do, but I am still scrolling reels on Insta and doing unwanted stuffs. So why it happens? Because action means a pressure, and our brain think about the pressure to do the work. So you have ever said, I will do it tomorrow, or I will do it in another week? You are not alone. So procrastination is not a time problem, it is an emotional problem. So until we fix it from inside, no planner or no productivity hack can work for too long time. So sometimes we are tired, sometimes we do not believe in ourselves, and sometimes we just do not know where to start. So here what I learned: you do not beat procrastination with motivation. You can beat it with movements. So start small, ridiculously small. If the task is big, just open the file. If the book is big, just read one para. So why to do small? Okay. So why to do small task? Because small task tricks your brain that you are going to hit the mindset of being perfect. So the next time whenever you feel stuck, don't fight it, just try to understand it, because you are not broken, you are a human, and humans do procrastinate. So that's all of from this video. If this video helps you even a little, please put your positive comment in the comment box, so that it increase my motivation towards creating more videos. So let's put our first step together. Thank you.